Okay, what I got here is a U-Testum model 7111 drugstore tube tester. You would find these mostly in drugstores or convenience stores, or in this case, this one here was actually in a Sears. And if you look very closely right here in the corner down by the screw, you can actually see, maybe see the word Sears stamped in it. To use this one, we're going to test this tube right here. This is a 35Z5. So what we do is we scroll here until we find 35Z5. It just scrolls by the knob right here. Find it. It says now put it in socket number 39, and our value once we are testing it should be 55. Alright, so what we're going to do first, let's go ahead and we'll turn on the tube tester. When we do, that light will come on. At the same time, the tube will start warming up. We're going to give the tube a little bit of time to warm up. Then we'll do a few tests. And that's, amazingly enough, it actually doesn't take very long to do the tests. Right here we have our tester. Want to test for shorts. If right now, if one of these lights were lit up, I don't know if you can see them, then I would say that there was a short somewhere in the tube. Let's do a gas test and then a regular test with the meter up there. So the first test we're going to do is the gas, and we don't see any shorts here. Our meter doesn't move at this time. Now when we move over to here, our needle will rise up, and it should be better than 55. So we're doing a test, and the needle rises just about 64. This shows that this tube is good. One of the other features that this has, you just pull the tube right out when you're done, is it has a nice little battery checker here. And you can check all different size batteries from 1.5 volt all the way up to a 90 volt B battery. You just put it in here, there's a pause in that, and it shows you on there what the value is, if it's good or bad. This sometimes isn't as accurate as I'd like it to be. The other thing here is Vibrator Test, and this is for the 6 volt vibrators and then 2 for the 12 volt. I don't have any vibrators right now to put in it to show you how that does, but I do have, it has a fuse tester here, fuse and lamp tester, and if you put a good bulb in there, the bulb will cause this green light to light up right there, and you can see even the light lights up, so that shows that that bulb is good. One of the other things I'm trying to do with it is to try to make a sign that kind of matches with the original sign that was on it. I made that one, but I did a better job, I think, with the lady on this one, where I actually got all the gray out from around her edges and touched her up a lot so that she looks a lot better. And I actually redid the text where it says "Be a TV expert." I did that one myself with the Microsoft Word of all things. So that's it. The other thing is, some instructions here on how to use it. General instructions, short and gas test, how to do that, and the efficiency test. These things were pretty good. A lot of people said that they were designed just to sell tubes. I've had this one for 10 years and it's been fairly accurate and not too bad. I wouldn't use it for the final be-all and end-all of whether or not a tube is really good. But if you just need a quick and simple way to check if a tube's good, if you're working on a radio and one of the tubes are dead and you can't figure out which one, this thing is the thing to use, because you can just stick the tube right in there and find out right away whether or not at least the heater works. And it gives you a general idea whether or not the tube works as well. So that's it. It's my U-Testum drugstore tube tester. Hope you enjoyed it.